So I was at a Cass 2 property when I was released from prison, which was run by Nacro, and my support worker, she led me on to the Justice Exchange team. So my journey with Nacro has been a really good one. I feel that they treat me as an individual, they don't treat me as a criminal or an ex-con, and I feel that any input that I have, Nacro takes it on board and listens to me. It's made a massive difference to me because I feel that I'm part of something. I'm part of something that wants to make a difference. Nacro believes in people and believes in better. My hopes for the organisation is that it's doing as it is now, but a bigger variation of it.
Describe Nacro in one word.
Brilliant.